Welcome to POUSE out of the house. In this video I'm going to show you how to fit this high performance DNA air filter to a Husqvarna 701. I'll show you how to do this using the original air cover and the DNA stage 2 air cover, and the procedure is exactly the same whether fitting it to a Gas 700 or a KTM 690 SMCR. First thing we need to do is remove the seat. To do this, pull the cord under the left hand side of the bike, lifting the back of the seat at the same time. Then pull out the clips at the front on either side of the seat, and the seat will now lift away. Now remove the plastic ignition cover by gently pulling away. Again, this is held in with two clips that fit into these two holes here. Now I use a T30 Torx bit with my ratchet socket wrench and loosen off the bolts in the airbox cover. Then pull back and up on the airbox cover, and you'll now expose the air filter. And you can see on the air intake how the air flows in through here, over the top and out the other end. To remove the air filter, gently pull up on the rubber seal, and on closer inspection you can see this is actually a KTM branded part like many other parts on the Husqvarna. So here's my brand new DNA high performance air filter, and I must mention at this point that whilst this air filter can potentially increase performance, it will only do so if the bike is remapped, and I would not recommend running the bike with this air filter without a remap. To fit the air filter, just place it back into the airbox with the wide end facing towards you, ensuring the rubber seal lines up with the plastic mouldings below. And then for a stage 1 conversion, we can put back on the original air cover, place the two plastic prongs on the front of the air cover into the two holes on the airbox. Once located into place, we can take the two bolts and tighten them back down using the T30 Torx bit. So that's the stage 1 conversion. Because I'm also going to show you the stage 2 conversion, I'm now going to take the air intake back off. This is a DNA stage 2 air cover, and this comes in yellow for Husqvarna or orange for KTM, and this is required for the stage 2 conversion by simply replacing the original air cover. Again, place the lugs into the holes on the airbox, line up the holes at the front, then tighten up the bolts. It's recommended to tighten up to 5 Nm using a torque wrench. And can I just remind you that I'll put links to all products and tools used in this video in the description section below. This air cover combined with the DNA air filter will significantly increase the airflow, which is why I'd highly recommend getting it remapped by a professional if you're doing this conversion. Now take the ignition cover, pushing it back into the holes in the frame. Then put your seat back on, remembering to secure the two clips at the front. So if you found that video useful, can you please give it a like? If you haven't done so already, can you please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been POUSE out of the house. Ta-ta, farewell.